Pushing your luck, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, pushing one's luck. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal contexts, and understanding it can really add to your fluency in English. Let's dive in and find out what it means to push your luck, when to use it, and how it can enhance your English communication skills. To push one's luck means to test the limits of one's good fortune or to take a risk in the hope of achieving more success, but with the chance of losing what one has already gained. It's like when you're already in a favorable situation but decide to go a step further, risking what you've achieved for the possibility of gaining even more. The phrase, pushing one's luck, originates from gambling contexts, where a player might win some money and then continue to gamble in the hope of winning more, risking the loss of what they have already won. Over time, its use has expanded beyond gambling and is now applied in various scenarios where someone takes additional risks after having already achieved something. 1. Work. If you've already been granted a favor by your boss, asking for another favor the same day might be seen as pushing your luck. 2. Negotiations. After successfully negotiating a good deal, trying to ask for even more benefits could be pushing your luck. 3. Social settings. If someone has already been very accommodating to your requests, making even more demands might mean you're pushing your luck. Be aware of the context. It's crucial to understand the situation and the people involved. If the atmosphere is relaxed and the stakes are low, you might get away with pushing your luck. Know when to stop. Recognizing when you've reached your limit is important. If you sense resistance or annoyance, it's probably time to stop. Use it sparingly. This expression and the action it describes should be used sparingly. Overuse can lead to people thinking you're greedy or ungrateful. Pushing one's luck is a fascinating phrase that teaches us about risk and reward. Remember, while it's human nature to want more, understanding the right moment to push your luck is key to not only language learning but life itself. We hope this video helps you grasp the essence of this phrase and aids in your English language journey. Keep learning, and don't push your luck too far.